All right, here we go. I finally got my dry erase marker, and let's work on our form. Hopefully you have a pencil and you're ready to go. So let's read this again. The blank revolves around the earth, period. The moon. So let's write that M-O-O-N. It does this and we haven't talked about this, but it takes approximately 28 Earth days for the moon to make one complete orbit around the Earth. So it takes 28 days for the moon to orbit the Earth, and it takes, just to throw it in, 365 and a fourth days for the Earth to go around the sun. So the moon goes a lot faster around the Earth. Let's write that down, 28 days. It's a little bit different than that. It basically takes a month. All right, I think I'm going to try to sit down here. The Earth revolves around the what? What does the Earth go around? The Earth goes around the sun. All right, let's write that down. Hopefully you can spell sun. S-U-N. All right. It takes the Earth blank days or blank year to complete a revolution around the sun. Okay, we just talked about that. It takes the Earth 365, it's hard to read that, and 1/4 days or 1 year to complete a revolution around the sun. All right? The Earth rotates on its axis every 24 hours. The moon revolves around the Earth. That's right. Let's spell Earth. E-A-R-T-H. And I'm going to add a period because I covered it up. It takes the moon blank days to complete a revolution. It takes the moon 28 Earth days to complete a revolution around the sun. Excuse me, around the Earth. That was a mistake. It takes the moon 28 days to complete a revolution. All right, this says draw a picture of the relationship between the sun, the Earth, and the moon. Well, I'm at home. I wish I had different colored Sharpie or dry erase markers, but let's see if I can do this. So basically, that's this picture. That's going to be, let me move it here in front of me. I'm going to show that the Earth goes around the sun, and I'm going to show that the moon goes around the Earth. All right. Let's see if I can do that. I bet you can come up with an idea. I think I might, am I going to make my sun really big? I might make my sun right here in the center. So here's my sun. I'm going to make the rays coming off of the sun. Oh, Mr. Barber just put some different colored vis-a-vis out here. I don't know, I think I need a blue one. Anyway, here's my sun. Now I'm going to draw the Earth. I'm going to put Earth right here. Could probably draw it bigger if I wanted to. In fact, I think I will. Before you guys draw, you might decide your sizes. I'm going to draw Earth so I can put a little, he's got a marker for some land. And then I'm going to draw a little bitty moon. Okay, so I'm going to make a dotted line to represent the orbit of the moon. It's going around the sun. Then I'm going to make another dotted line to represent the orbit of the Earth around the sun. Okay, So now if you have colored markers or pencils, I've got a little brown one. Let's see if I can make a little like North America. Not sure if I can, but it's gonna at least look like land. Here's some land in our earth. And here's some water. Got a little blue. So there's earth. You could label, you could write earth beside it if you wanted to. And the moon pretty much looks like this. Hopefully you've seen a full moon outside, and we always see the same face of the moon. Because it literally takes 27 days for the moon to orbit on it, or to rotate on its axis. So the Earth only ever sees the same side of the moon. Isn't that incredible? It's kind of unique. Okay, I don't have a gray pencil, but I'm going to just color the moon a little bit in, although I kind of messed that moon up. I'm going to erase my moon. See if I can do it again. Maybe I'll just make a light side of the moon and a dark side of the moon. Maybe I'll just do that. All right, now I have, actually, since I got some colored pencils and markers, I'm gonna make my sun with orange and yellow. I'm gonna draw it with orange. And I'll put some yellow rays coming off of it as well. You're gonna, on Wednesday, you're going to write, excuse me, do some copy work about the sun. And as we know, it is not a planet, it is a star. And we talked about that. It's a burning ball of helium and hydrogen gas with some other gases in there. I'm gonna put some more yellow into my sun. You could put some yellow inside of it. All right. We'll talk more about some of these things, but let's read this last part. So there's my finished diagram of the sun, the earth, and the moon, and how they move around each other. Okay, let's read this question. The moon rotates or revolves around the earth? What does the moon do? Do we say it rotates on its axis around the earth? Yes, it does do that, but we say it revolves around the earth. So you can underline it, you can circle it, all right? Number 2, the earth rotates or revolves around the sun. Well, we know from our paper before that the earth revolves around the sun. So I'm going to also circle revolves, because that's what's special. The moon revolves around the earth as the earth revolves around the sun. All right, that's all for today. Hopefully you've watched the squirrel video, and I will talk to you again on Wednesday. Bye.